Welcome to the Canadian Tank Museum and Project 1918. Both built in 1918, both built for the mechanization of North American forces in the First World War. This is something new for the Canadian Tank Museum, our first dedicated YouTube video series documenting Project 1918. Over 100 years ago, during the Great War, the beginning of mechanization, these machines both fought and protected our soldiers. The American-built NASH QUAD, the first true all-terrain four-wheel drive vehicle made for our troops during the First World War. Licensed by the French, the American 6-ton tank, the M1917, built too late for the trenches of the Western Front. Learn the history and the stories of these military vehicles. Meet the team that's going to restore them. What makes them tick? What makes them give their time, talent, and treasure to preserve our proud Canadian military history? Not just the restorations, but historical analysis on the development of these military vehicles, their use by our soldiers in the Great War and beyond. Not only by following the YouTube channel and these videos, you can learn more about Project 1918 or make a donation towards this restoration at tankmuseum.ca. You can support Project 1918 by sharing this video, subscribing to our YouTube channel, or clicking down below and joining our Patreon. Those funds raised from our community will go directly to the restoration of these vehicles and creating more exciting content about the project.